Welcome to Math Beyond Borders. Mathematics Simplified. Welcome geniuses. In today's video, let's talk about multiplication. Well, I was conducting a class recently and I realized that multiplication is taught in a different way in different parts of the world. But let's follow the standard process, okay? So you see on your screen two multiplication examples. One where we multiply two numbers with two-digit number with a two-digit number, so I called it 2 by 2. And one where we multiply a three-digit number with a two-digit number, so I called it 3 by 2. And there will be two more examples after this, so follow along. Alright, so let's start here. So now the process is that you always start with the number at the ones position, then go to the tens, then go to the hundreds. Okay, so just remember, so let's start with this 7 here. It is in the ones position in the below number. Right, now this 7 will multiply with all the numbers on the top in this order. So first 7 will multiply with this 5. So 7 times 5 is 35. So 5 will be written here, and because it's a two-digit number and there is a number further to multiply, you carry forward this 3 here. Now 7 times 4 is 28, and you plus this 3 there. So 28 plus 3 will be 31. Okay, now multiplication with 7 is done. Now why did we write the whole 31 and did not carry this 3 further forward? Because there was no other number here, so we wrote the whole number. If there would have been some other number here, we would carry it forward, and let's see that in the next example. Okay, now the next number is 1. The ones is a tens number. In this digit, ones is at the tens place, so we cannot start with the ones place here, so we make a cross. Some people make a 0 here. That can confuse you or your teacher while checking it. I strongly suggest that you make a cross and not a 0. Well, but if you want to stick to your 0 because someone told you that it is the right way, it's also not wrong. It's my suggestion you make a cross. Rest is up to you. So let's continue. Then this 1 will first multiply with the number at the ones place. So 1 times 5 will be 5. And now this 1 will multiply at the number with the number at the tens place. So 1 times 4 will be 4. Now if you see very closely, I wrote one number below the other. It's very important in multiplication especially. Now all we have to do is add this. 5 times, positionally, although it's written as a cross, it's a 0. So 5 times 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 3 plus 4 is 7. Right? That's the answer for this question. I hope it is clear. If not, let's move on to the next example to make it further sure. Okay, so now as you see in the next example, we have 342 times 21. Right, so now can you now look at this bottom number, because this is the one we will be using mostly. And which number will we start with? Will we start with the 2 or with the 1? You guessed it right, it will be 1. So let's start multiplying 1 first with this one, then with this one, and then with this one. Okay, so let me just remove this from here. So 1 times 2 will be 2. 1 times 4 will be 4. Nothing carry forward. 1 times 3 will be 3. Okay, and now because we are going to multiply with the tens digit, make a cross here. Do not write a 0 as per me. So now 2 times 2 will be 4. 2 times 4 will be 8. And 2 times 3 will be 2 times 3 will be 6. Right, and now we will just add it. And please observe, video is going on. And now we will just simply add these numbers, right? No fuss. Now again, notice how I wrote one number below the other. Very important. 2 plus 0, 2. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So 1 here and 1 here. And 6 plus 1 will be 7. So that's our answer. Okay, video pause. Video resume. Just for you, just so that we can make it clear, we are now also going to do 3 by 3 type multiplication, and we will also do 2 by 3 multiplication. Okay, so now have a look with me. So we will start with the number 9, which is at the ones place, right? So 9 times 2 will be 18. So you will write the 8 here, and 1 will be carried forward, right? 9 times 4 is 36. 36 plus 1 is 37. So you will only write the 7 here. Take a very good note. We are not writing the 3 there, but we will write 3 will be carry forward. 9 times 2 is 18, and 18 plus 3 is 21. Now, because there is no further number to multiply with, we can write this 21 as it is complete number here. Okay. Now, because we move on to the next number, which is a tens number, we make a cross at the ones place. And now we do 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2, right? Now comes the new introduction. We also have a number at the hundreds place. So like we made 1 cross, now we will make 2 crosses, right? For ones and for tens. Good. And we'll start with here. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 2 is 4 again. And the same process, just add it. 8 will be 8. 7 plus 2 is 9. This will be 9. This will be 12. So 2 here and 1 carry forward here, and 4 plus 1 will be 5. So that's the answer. Okay. And let's move on to the last example for the day. Here, just how we did 3 by 2, we are going to do 2 by 3. It's the same thing, just written upside down, right? So just be with me here. So again, we will start with the number 6. 6 times 2 is 12. So 2 here, 1 here. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Now there is no further number ahead, so you just write the whole 25 here. Okay. Then 7 times 2 is 14. So 4 here and 1 carry forward here. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 1, 29. Again, no further numbers, so 29. Now we move to 1, which is the hundreds number, so we make 2 crosses. And 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 4 is 4, and you just add them. 2, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, so 3 and 1, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So that's the answer. Okay, it was simple, isn't it?
Thank you for learning with us. Please share the video with those who you think may need it. Also, if you want to request a topic, put that in the comments section. So until the next video, keep learning, keep questioning. Bye.